What is up, everybody? Mr. Curtis here. Quick little overview tutorial on how to SAQ. I know we've been doing this throughout the year, but just a quick reminder in case you get frantic the night before the AP World Exam. So here's the thing. Two most important things. Don't forget these two things. They are the most important thing. Number one, answer the questions with specific facts or details. Don't kind of just give a little bit of a vague blah blah kind of answer. Everyone was happy. It was really nice there. Provide a specific piece of evidence to back up your claim. Whatever that thing is, it should be a person, a place, a thing, a term, an idea, something to back it up, because that's what people who are grading the AP exam are looking for. They're looking for something specific to give you the point. Second thing is know the time period. If the question's asking about 1450 to 1750, go through your mind of what are those couple things that we've been talking about that are the main themes or topics during that period, because generally speaking, the SAQ question is trying to pull that information out of your head and out of your mind. So if you know that from 1750 to 1900, imperialism, reform and reaction, industrial revolution, age of revolution, migration. If you know those are the five things, odds are if the SAQ is about 1750 to 1900, it's asking about one of those topics, and it can help kind of give you an idea of what they're looking for. Number two, and we've done this a lot, just remember there's A, B, and C. A is almost always going to say identify. B and C are going to say explain. Identify is usually 1 to 2 sentences. The more the merrier, though, and explain is about 3 sentences. Make sure that you provide, again, back up your evidence with details. Be as specific as possible. Nothing major here. All stuff that we've been doing. Just a reminder, write in complete sentences. Don't use any bullet points. They will not give credit for just a little bullet point. They need to see complete sentences, they being the people who are going to grade it. And also, if there's a document to use, don't quote it. And this is true in the DBQ as well, use your own words, summarize it, don't quote it. People just skip over the quotations. It doesn't help you answering anything. Also, just as a quick little reminder, there's 3 SAQs. Number 1 is going to be a secondary source. This is on a historian. All right, it's periods 3 through 6. Number 2 is going to be a primary source or visual source. I've seen paintings, I've seen drawings, I've seen writings of people who were there, but they've really been focusing more on visual sources lately. But it's going to either be a comparison question or a change over time question. That's also going to be period 3 through 6. And just a reminder, 3 and 4, you have the option. You can pick which one you want. It's just a basic ABC. SAQ 3 is going to be periods 1 through 3, and SAQ 4 will be periods 4 through 6. Again, last reminder, remember, don't forget this, please. Answer the question with specific facts, some kind of fact, detail, idea, and also make sure you know the time period. That's my quick 2 to 3 minute tutorial on how to SAQ. As always, if you've got questions.